Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another collaboration. I'm going to be having these collaborations weekly, at least once a week. So guys, stay tuned. Today's video is about different types of cakes. Laltia will be showing us how to make chocolate cake, as you can see on your screen. On my video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this zebra cake. As you can see, it's really soft, really spongy and moist. This is what I'll be showing you to make today. Don't forget to check my description box to get the link of my friends and also get to watch their videos. Trust me, you're going to be learning a lot from us. So let's get to the video. So guys, you're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to need half a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup sugar, vanilla essence and baking powder. I'm going to be giving you the measurements. You're also going to need cocoa powder. Then of course you're going to need flour. I used 1 3/4 cups of flour. Make sure you sift your flour. So guys, on your first step, you're going to break all your eggs in a separate bowl, just like I'm showing you on the video, just like that. Then we are going to be adding our sugar over here, also the milk and the vegetable oil. Once you add your sugar, you start mixing. You can use a mixer, a hand mixer like this, or you can also use a mixer, the bigger one, and you can also use just a whisk. Then I added my vegetable oil and I'm also going to mix them together. Then over here guys, I'm adding in my milk. Now I'm going to mix this until your mixture is soft and fluffy. And over here guys, I'm adding in the vanilla essence. I used a half a teaspoon. Just like that. Then you're going to beat it again and mix it together with your other ingredients. Now guys, on to our dry ingredients. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder in my flour mixture. I'm just mixing so that they're well mixed together. Then the next thing, I'm going to add in now my wet ingredients on the dry ingredients. Then you'll just mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients until they are a really smooth paste. And this is how your consistency should be. It's not too thick, also it's not too runny. So guys, the next step is to separate your mixture into 2 halves. Make sure they are the same amount. Then in one of your mixture, you're going to be adding in the cocoa powder. I used a teaspoon, but my cocoa powder is really strong. If you're just using the normal one, use 2 teaspoons to get the desired color. Then over here guys, I have my pan. I'm going to oil it and I'm going to sprinkle some flour to make sure your cake doesn't stick. Then over here I have 2 scoops that I'm going to be using. Basically you just need to put first the vanilla one, then the chocolate one. You'll do that until you're done with your mixtures, just like that. And at this time, make sure your oven is preheating at 180 degrees. Then after you're done with that process, you're going to throw it in your oven for 30 minutes. And this is how your cake will be looking after 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. Now guys, you're going to let your cake cool for at least 15 minutes before you can turn it, before you can remove it from your tray. And it's ready, as you can see. After your cake has cooled, it will be really easy to remove it from your tray, and this is how our cake is looking like. Now let's cut and see if we got the zebra shape and the stripes. And there you have it guys, your spongy and zebra cake. You can see the colors, they really differentiate really well. You can see the vanilla one and also the cocoa one. And my cake is really spongy. Please make sure you try this recipe. Also, don't forget to check my description box for the links of my fellow friends, and you can learn the chocolate cake and the cinnamon and chocolate chip cake. They're really interesting guys. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media handle. I'm mostly active on my Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle on the screen. And when you get to try my recipes, don't forget to mention me on your Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.
Can you see everything that I said was happening? Or are you still carefree to defeat that you don't know?